State-aware refactors. Terraform state is an address map, not just a record of cloud objects. Terraform uses state to bind a real remote object to a resource instance address in configuration. When you change that address, Terraform does not assume continuity by default. It plans against the new address and may treat the old one as gone. That is why refactors are dangerous, even when the underlying AWS object should stay the same. A label rename changes the resource instance address even if every argument stays the same. Terraform compares addresses first, then evaluates object actions. A rename from AWS SSM parameter.appName to application name therefore looks like one object disappearing and another object appearing. The Cloud API may support in-place updates for some arguments, but Terraform cannot reach that stage if identity mapping is already broken. The mood block tells Terraform that the old address and the new address refer to the same remote object. During planning, Terraform checks state at the from address and rebinds it to the to address before planning actions for that destination. The result is a state-aware refactor instead of a destroy-create interpretation. This is a safe path when you rename a resource or move it into a module. Moving a resource into a child module changes the full address prefix. The object is still the same in the same SSM parameter, but its new address now includes the module path. Terraform documentation explicitly recommends mood blocks for this refactor because declarative configuration alone would otherwise plan replacement when the address changes. This is where refactoring begins to feel architectural rather than cosmetic. Inside the module, the resource block can stay almost identical because the refactor is about address ownership, not object redesign. The mechanism is simple. Preserve the AWS object arguments, change the configuration location, then declare the address translation. The outcome is cleaner code structure without paying the penalty of accidental replacement. The real risk is not syntax failure. The real risk is a plan that silently proposes replacement for a production identifier, secret path, or network object because the address changed without a move declaration. In the submarine force, you never move a valve tag on paper and assume the plant understands your intent. You verify the mapping before you operate. Terraform refactors demand the same discipline. Inspect the plan before address migration before apply, because state is a control room diagram for your infrastructure. On a submarine, mislabeling one control path can make a safe system look like a dangerous one. In Terraform, a broken address map does the same thing. The infrastructure may be healthy, but the tool now believes replacement is required. Terraform state move can also rebind state to a new address, but it is a COI state operation rather than a configuration record. The move block places the migration intent inside version code, which means teammates can review it, plan it, and apply it through normal workflow. The outcome is safer collaboration because the refactor logic travels with the configuration instead of living in one operator's shell history.